Arizona weather alerts were issued across northern and central counties, including high wind warnings, winter storm warnings and multiple wind and winter weather advisories, with windows through Wednesday and Tuesday in areas such as the Northeast Plateaus and Mesas, White Mountains, Mogollon Rim, Kaibab Plateau, Gila River Valley, Yavapai and Coconino regions, Northwest Deserts and Lake Havasu. In Tucson, Nancy Guthrie, 84, Savannah Guthrie's mother, remains missing on day 17. Pima County Sheriff's Office says Guthrie family has been cleared as suspects. Investigators continue processing warrants and pursuing leads. A DNA profile from a glove found 2 miles from her home did not match CODIS. The FBI has raised the reward to $100,000. Investigators are reviewing surveillance video and asking for tips via the FBI or the PCSD tip line, while searching for Guthrie and her pacemaker. Savannah Guthrie posted a plea for her safe return. No arrests have been made.